Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a collection in a database. So just open your editor of the Wix of any site and click on Content Manager, then click on Create a new collection or create a collection. So now we're ready to ask what we call it. Let's call it my. Okay, like this. And you can select single item, multiple items. We go with multiple items because it is default. And now your collection will get created and the content manager box for the window opens right like this. It is loading and you can see it is created. So here the title is by default it comes like this only, and you can create new name, then select the field type whatever it is, text, image, boolean, number, date and time, which content is text, reference, multi-reference, URL, document, multi-document, video, audio, address, tags, array, object, media gallery, and whatnot. Personally identifiable information is not always needed. You can also give more text there. You can also sort this. You also add a filter and add item from here as well as add item from here. The same thing happens. You can see the hidden fields like this. You can enable this, or you can hide all of them like this. Add a field, or you can again show this like this. It's quite simple. List, view like this, gallery, table. So now here you can see title, ID, created date, updated date, owner, name. You can also add like this. Click on add. It gets added some domain basically. You can add also create on adding many of them like this. It will get created and get some domain information wherever possible. It gets automatically by default. You can also import or export CSV. You can import some database that that you might have in your collection or your PC folder basically. You can also export this database if you want to use this somewhere. These are collection settings, permissions and privacy indexes, submit collection settings. When you go to here, the collection name and permission, privacy, you can give permissions, set member, admin or anyone like this, and you can then save and go ahead with it. Then same thing as indexes, see what it has to show. Dates is helps reader collection queries and indexes also prevent duplicates in the collection. You can have up to 3 regular indexes. Yes. Let's create one. Next name, type regular, unique, choose a field. Yeah, you can choose a field. Yeah, this is for the indexes purpose mostly, as you can see by reading it only. Then add a sort, by title, by created date, and like this. So what I'm going to show you, like, add something here, okay? A, B, C, okay? This is one person one and C, D. Then H, okay? So now I will delete other ones that are created, okay? So as you can see, this is how it is looking. So now, as you can see, this is we have added first, and the IJK is the last one. You can sort it here. You can remove the sort. Okay. Now just yeah, this is how it is. That's why the sort is needed. As you can see, the last one added gets to the first rank like this. So we can add again the sort, mostly by created updated date. Mostly you can do like this. I will see that the first one that we did came under first one. If the first one added, the first one came here. The last one added, last one is added there. So this is how you can make use of it. I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching.